Hello, myself Dr. Kailash, consulting dermatologist and medical director of Clear Skin Hair and Layer Center, Kurnool. Today we are going to discuss about acne, pimples. Any of you suffering from acne or acne related black spots or pigmentation or its scars on the face? Do not worry, we have a complete solution. Acne is the most common skin problem that affects almost 90% of people at some point in their life. The most common age group that affects are teenagers and youngsters between the age of 15 to 25. They get depressed and hesitate to move in their daily regular activities due to damage caused by pimples and its scars. Let us know, how does acne develop? As we know, we have sebaceous glands in our skin which produce oil-like substance called sebum. Sebum keeps the moisture content of the skin. In acne-prone or genetically predisposed skin, the sebum, dead cells and bacteria, when get clogged in the pores of the skin, leads to a raised bump called pimple. We classify acne into three types: mild, moderate and severe. Mild acne are usually small, having blackheads and whiteheads, and mostly do not cause much trouble. Moderate acne, here the acne are little bigger and bit painful and sometimes partly infected also. Proper care and treatment at this stage is necessary. If not, the pimple get more infected and turn into severe acne. Severe acne. Lesions are red color, swell up or edematous and painful. Almost all these severe acne on healing leaves a permanent scar on the face. Hence, early treatment is necessary. Let us know, why do pimples appear? There are many causes of acne. For an example, hormonal changes during teenage or puberty, and in females during menstruation and pregnancy. Using certain makeup or cosmetics with heavy foundation can lead to cosmetic acne, also called acne cosmetica. Certain medications such as oral contraceptives, steroid abuse or overuse, or anti-tuberculous drugs and so on can cause acne-like eruptions. Certain foods can trigger acne such as oily or junk food, or dairy products can lead to acne breakout. Dandruff in the scalp and stress can trigger acne. What is the treatment for acne? First is a conventional therapy, which means topical treatment containing creams or ointments and oral medication. These treatment may work in mild acne. Second is interventional therapy. This type of treatment is for severe acne or acne not responding to conventional therapy. Interventional therapy includes procedures such as peels, cryoslush, low-level laser therapy, lasers and so on. Chemical peel. During the peel treatment, we use alpha-beta hydroxy solution such as glycolic, lactic, salicylic and mandelic solutions, which are extracted from fruits. Acne is reduced and the skin returns to normal after treatment. Cryoslush. Here we use an agent called cryogen, usually liquid nitrogen, to control severe acne. The cryogen effectively dries up the pimples and the oily skin. This treatment is painless and is done as an outpatient procedure. Blue light therapy is a non-UV light therapy. It is a simple procedure where the acne causing bacteria are eliminated, thereby clearing acne breakouts. This is believed to be very effective and quick treatment as far as acne is concerned. Acne laser treatment. In treating acne, lasers plays an important role. Tough or non-responsive acne can be treated by laser technology. Intense pulse light system is the safest and effective, FDA cleared for treatment of acne. It works by releasing yellow, green, red light that is emitted in a series of short pulses, which destroy the bacteria and directly target the overactive sebaceous glands that cause pimples. Long pulse Nd:ACT laser. Here the laser energy targets the overactive sebaceous glands and reduces acne inflammation. It even accelerates the healing process and stimulates the collagen remodeling and thereby improving acne scars too. Treatment with long pulse Nd:ACT is safer and have no side effects. Pulse dye laser. This is the most advanced laser technology used to treat acne. The energy from this laser is safer to the skin and more effective on the pimple and red acne scars. Acne should be treated in a right time and proper precautions should be followed. Other than lasers, fractional microneedling RF (MNRF) works both for acne and acne scars, in which the microneedles are driven directly into the skin deep into the dermis and delivers the RF energy. The heat generated by RF targets the overactive sebaceous gland that cause acne and stimulates the collagen remodeling and thereby improving acne scars too. Few people wait for a certain period believing that the acne will reduce by itself, but usually not. If acne gets infected with bacteria, it leaves a permanent scar after healing. In 70 to 80% of people, acne will come and stop for a certain period, but forming a scar on the face will last forever.
For more updates, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.